Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the anatomy of nephron of mammalian kidney. Nephrons are the functional units of kidney. The number of nephrons in kidneys of vertebrates vary. In lower vertebrates, each kidney has only several hundred nephrons, while in many small mammals, the number of nephron is in some thousands. ह्यूमंस और दूसरे जो लार्ज मैमल्स हैं उनमें एक किडनी में 1 मिलियन या इससे ज्यादा नेफ्रॉन्स मौजूद होते हैं. ए नेफ्रॉन consists of two major units. One is the renal corpuscle and the other is a renal tubule. The renal corpuscle is an expanded part at the closed end of renal tubule. It is composed of a network of capillaries which is called glomerulus. The second part of renal corpuscle consists of a thin double-walled cup-shaped structure which is called Bowman's capsule and it surrounds the glomerulus. Glomerulus is responsible for ultrafiltration, which is the first step in urine formation. The renal tubule leads away from Bowman's capsule. Its wall is only one cell thick. It has three portions: the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. The first portion of renal tubule, that is the proximal convoluted tubule, is highly coiled. It dips into the medulla and forms a sharp loop of Henle. The loop of Henle has a descending limb and an ascending limb. Ascending limb returns to the level of renal corpuscle and coils to form distal convoluted tubule. This distal convoluted tubule is connected to a collecting duct. Dear students, the glomeruli of nephrons lie in the renal cortex, while the loop of Henle reach down into the papilla of medulla. इस तरह से जो नेफ्रॉन्स हैं ये रेडिएटिंग फैशन में किडनी के दोनों पोर्शंस में मौजूद होते हैं. कुछ हिस्सा कॉर्टेक्स में और कुछ हिस्सा मेडुला में मौजूद होता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेफ्रॉन्स अपने साइज और कॉर्टिकल और मेडुलरी पोर्शन के लिहाज से दो तरह के होते हैं: जक्स्टा मेडुलरी नेफ्रॉन्स और कॉर्टिकल नेफ्रॉन्स. Juxtamedullary nephrons have their glomeruli in the inner part of cortex. Their loops of Henle are long, which plunge deep into the medulla, while the cortical nephrons glomeruli lie in the outer cortex. Their loops of Henle are relatively short and extend only a short distance into the medulla. Juxtamedullary nephrons इंतहाई अहम होते हैं to produce concentrated urine in birds and mammals.